social distancing.
How is that social distancing? I'm not even 6 feet.
Huh?
I'm not even 6 feet. Hey, Van, I want to see if you can just go up and do a little spin like mine. Banyan, like me. Look. Sideways. Like this, Banyan. Like this. Like this. I'll see you, Dad. You're right there.
Yeah.
I'll get here for a nice little squat.
Ini nyama kangwang di kene ni di hutan abang tarik bosan di tengah rumah social distancing kangwang kene ni bukit melindar dan angin gerung-gerung angin gus-gus wabarang gus gitu.
Hey, Dad.
Hmm?
I see that man cave over there.
What?
I see that man cave over there.
What man cave?
Over there is a bear cave.
Oh, nah, nunu. Yang tu cuma kadang-kadang tu sebetulnya macam alas tu. Din bulan babar ternyidang. Sudah diam bangin ni. Padang tumbuh.
Jump it in. I need to turn my... Yeah, he's getting ready to jump, Dad. Get up.
Now he sleep there.
I heard a coyote.
Huh?
I heard a coyote.
There's no coyote.
Dang, look. He's dancing.
Don't shake it.
Uh-oh. I heard he's got something go like...
He loves it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, look. He dancing. Uh-oh. Oh. Do you see my glasses, Aiden? Yeah. Let me go. And a man
Get up, Benyan, first. Benyan. Get
I'm
up.
not getting off.
Wait. Get up, Benyan. This way. Yeah, he will be.
Falling.
He will be. Alright, try that. Try lying down now.
You gotta fly off, Dad. You know that, right?
See? It's better. Kukuruyuk nah. See? Nice, huh? He's the leader, huh?
Shimmer. Hey, Dad, you know that stick that you cut it apart from?
Uh-huh.
Can you give me that? Because I need to see it. Well, I need to see it. No, hurry up first. Wait, hey, can you give me that stick down there? Sharpen it. Sharpen? So now you can you like sharpen this point?
Oh, this one is not.
Can you try?
It's not work with this. Let me see your teeth. And like this. You need to brush your teeth.
I drink orange juice.
You need to clean it.
So, can you like
Right, chicken.
try sharpen this point?
Now you have to
Just
use
try
the.
it first.
It's not work.
Just try. Hey, Dad. You don't know. Hey, Dad. Do you see that? Hey, Dad. Dad.
It's not work, son. It's okay.
No. Ah.
Ah.
Hey, Dad. Can you see that after this? Can you?
It's not work, son, because this have teeth.
Hey, Dad. Do you see that I'm a half cut in like?
Go down. Get down. Go jump down. Yeah, get down.
Look how much sawdust there is.
All right. Don't stop. You can do it later when the house. Or get down.
Because we're going home now. You can put shoes on.
No, put your own shoes. Let's go put your shoes and let's go back home.
those shoes are mine. You sure? Compare the sizes. Okay, son. I want you. That's my stick. Yeah.
You ready going home,
You
chicken?
throw it. Okay.
Alright, let's go, chicken. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Not eating. Let's go. Get on, let's go. Let's go get, don't follow him. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's go home. Oh, yes, semuanya masuk semua. Ini ngajak siap. Allahin. Hey, where you going? Let's go, get down. Keep going down. Yep. Let's go. Hey, let's go. It's dark. Bye.